I'm gonna do the best I can so you guys can be a part of all of this. All right, here, we're gonna pull this seat out real quick, and then we're gonna finish taking out all this carpet. I didn't expect it to be that easy. The pin must have been missing. Yeah, Scotty, the pin must have been missing. See, the way these seats work is, let's see if I can get this to where y'all can. There we go. Okay, the way these work, see, is the seat part bracket sits down in there. Then you close that in there, and then there's a pin that locks it in right there. No, the pin's there. It must have just not been in. Oh, that was okay. So, you know, I always thought that seat was doing weird stuff when we was driving her. I guess we need to pull the carpet out now, right? Right. All right. This is just way too easy. All of this is just... All right, let's get that glare off of y'all so y'all don't have that glare. This is all just too easy. Hell, I can do this with my phone on one hand. Well, I don't want to do that too much like that. Wow, this is all just way too easy. I swear I didn't come out here and do this before y'all came on. This thing's in a great shape. Anyway, it makes me happy that we're starting off with such a good car. My ignition switch. Y'all don't make fun of my ignition switch. Thanks, man. I appreciate it, Fox. All right, hang on here. Let's back up. So I wish Morgan would come out and help me. All right, here, let's do this. So I try to give y'all the best show that I can. You know that. What in the hell is that? What? Damn. What is that? I don't even know what that is. We're not going to throw it away because it looks kind of important. Okay. Anyway. Feed in. This is bullshit. This is total bullshit. Get all this out of here, man. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Hang on just one second. Think there's any asbestos in any of this? As I'm sitting here just breathing it in, gasping for air, just sucking it in. Oh, we're gonna need some kind of a box cutter or a pair of scissors. We gotta cut a hole here. Hang on. Thank you, sweetie. Okay, back to the show. All right, here we go. Let's finish cutting this carpet out. Hang on here. All right, here's what we gotta do. Let's sit y'all down right here so you can get a front row seat. Front row seat. Let's turn that so you don't have such a glare. All right, you guys are with me. Here we go. Don't cut any wires, Case. Don't cut any wires. That could be bad. Bad, bad, bad. Okay. All right, let's move to the other side right here. Hang on. Other side. Just hang on. Dude, I am telling you, the floorboards look amazing in here. This is awesome. 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 Look at this. I mean, back here underneath we got a little bit of cleaning up to do down there, but look at that. Ooh, wait a minute. Hold on. We may be a little crispy. Hold on. No. No. We're good. No. No, we good. I mean, is it as sturdy as it was back in 74? Probably not. But we're going to be okay. This was a good step. I need the weather to change so we can pressure wash and degrease everything so we can start sanding. That's where we're at, y'all. This is awesome. You know what? We could go ahead and start pulling all the glass because we got to take all that out anyway. Let me think about that, though, because get some navel jelly for that rust. Are you being serious? Because, see, I'm not being rude because I know, see, the guys that came before me, y'all got some good tips. Like my grandfather, he used to tell me, are you being navel jelly? Because I'll order this shit. I'm serious? Okay. I got you, Richard. I'm in, baby. I'll order it up. I ain't lying. Ooh, wait a minute. Buddy, that means, you know what? I'm going to try this over here, too. Because this is, Buddy knows. He's been with me. This is the only part that scares me right here. There's really not anything on the car, but right here, there's obviously some holes. So this does scare me. So we started the live off, and we got all the interior ripped out. She's a little crusty back there, but JPT, we checked it. She's solid. We're going to get some Navy jelly. Navy jelly. I don't know what it is. It sounds like a roaring good time. But anyway, all jokes aside, we're going to get us some Navy jelly, which my man Richard and my man Richard suggested it, and Buddy has backed him up. So anyway, we're going to put some, is that a hole right there? What the hell is that? No! What the fuck is that? Hey, where's the light? Hey. What the fuck is that? What is up with that? What? I think we're gonna have to borrow the... Oh no! Oh no! Well, Houston, son of a bitch. Suspension too. That's real bad. JPT. Hi. We were gonna find it anyway. Man, that wasn't even, it's not even welded in. What the hell is going on here? I need to see this. I need to. Oh, shit. Well, I know how to weld. My father-in-law's got a welder. I guess we're going to... Well, all right. Oh, well, yeah, JPT, I wasn't expecting that, baby. I was just bragging earlier. But we're going to have to do something with that. I can't leave that like that. Damn, look at that. What a horrible place for that to happen. What a horrible place for that to happen.